What to do if your rankings aren't increasing? First things first, stay calm. If you've been carrying out your SEO campaign for longer than 6 months and you've seen 0 improvements, so your rankings haven't gone up, or even worse, they've gone down, what that means is something has gone wrong along the way. I thought I'd make this video to comment on the most likely culprits and explain exactly how you can fix them. So culprit number 1, you've over-optimized on the anchor text. Let's say you've been building links to one of your pages and the main keyword you're targeting is yoga mats. What you want to do is check your backlink spreadsheet and have a look at all of the links pointing to your website using the anchor text of yoga mat. You could have just simply used too many variations of this anchor text, meaning you've over-optimized. If you do find this is the case, I wouldn't recommend you remove these links. What I would advise, however, is you start building more branded links to help balance out your overall anchor text ratio. Culprit number 2, you've under-optimized on the anchor text. This would be the opposite of what I just mentioned in number 1. What you want to do again is open up your backlink spreadsheet, have a look at all of the links pointing to your site, and then make a count of how many times these links mention your main keyword. If they don't mention your main keyword enough, then what you want to do is build more links with your keywords in it. So that's building more backlinks with your target match anchors. If you ever want a bit of guidance for what anchor text you should use, just plug in one of the top ranking competitors into Ahrefs and see exactly what they're using. Once you've done that, you'll have a blueprint on exactly what you can follow too. Culprit number 3, keyword density is too high. This refers to the actual content you have on your website. So this is more of an on-page SEO issue. Potentially, you could have mentioned the keyword on your website way too many times in comparison to the sites already at the top of page 1. As a result, your page is going to be way over optimized for this keyword. Remember, when doing SEO, we want to fit in and look natural. If you go ahead and add the keyword on your page maybe 20 times or even 30 times more than you should have it, what you're going to do is stand out like a sore thumb. Google is going to spot this from a mile away and say, hey, this person is trying to manipulate our algorithm and trying to rank for this keyword by keyword stuffing. And as you will know from watching the video on the Google algorithms, mainly Google Penguin, you cannot keyword stuff anymore. As soon as you start keyword stuffing, you're going to have a negative effect on your rankings. So just check how many times you mention the keyword on your website in comparison to the competition and in comparison to how long your content is. These are typically the 3 things I see which are holding most people back.